Replacing a diaphragm on a Vingli pool cleaner is very quick and simple. The first thing I want to mention, the diaphragm for this Vingli has been out of stock for a while. But I found out that the diaphragms from the Zodiac G3 and G3 Pro models fitted just fine. I'll put the links in the description. There's a small difference I will show once I have the damaged one out of the cleaner. When purchasing these, you may want to consider buying packages of 2 or more instead of 1. You will save yourself some money and headache waiting for a new one. This is the way it works when operating. You can see if something sharp gets sucked up through there, it will damage it, like a bottle cap for example. This part is right on the bottom of the unit, strapped to the inner pole inside the body. Let's go step by step and take the unit apart. Unscrew the cover pole with the wheel here from the body. This is the inner pole the diaphragm is attached to. I like to push it in about 1/4 of an inch or so. That puts a little pressure on the diaphragm so it comes out easier when you pull it out from the other end. You can see where it's cracked here, making it just sit still on the bottom of the pool. The difference between the old one and the new one is about 1/8 of an inch by the retention ring, in which there's no problem fitting it. Take the old one out and insert the new one. As you will see, the Zodiac model will not reach the rim of the inner pole, but the ring does reach the slot to hold it in place. Now that you have it in, insert the diaphragm with the inner pole back into the body, making sure the pole on the other end is straight into the dark gray ring here. Once you have the pole exposed past that gray ring, you can push the diaphragm flush. Now you can screw back the cover pole with the wheel, and it's done. By the way, I will be showing how to replace the skirt in a future video here and explain how it got damaged like this. And that's about it. You have now completed the installation. I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video, and you all have a great day.